Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today we're going to change the cabin air filter on this 2009 Cadillac CTS. Okay, pop the hood, and we're going to start by removing this weather stripping right here. It just pulls right off. We're going to remove this cover, so you need to remove the 7mm, this one, and the other one over there, okay? Okay, now this thing should come out. All right, now you can get to your filter. It's right in there. You need to remove this cover though. So grab the sides and pull on the sides, and this comes out. And now your filter could come out. All right, guys, this is your new filter, and that's the pure part number. And when you put this back in, make sure the airflow arrow is pointing towards the back of the car, okay? Put on your cover. Now we're gonna put this other cover here. Make sure these tabs, these and these, slide underneath this part over here, okay? That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.